I'm going to be playing DESYNC, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to show you guys how to use Cheat Engine to hack your games. As you see, I already have 2 codes down there. They might not work now because every time I restart things change. I'm going to go over here to Cheat Engine, and I'm going to select a process, which is going to be DESYNC. I'm going to keep my current list of codes even though I probably won't use them. Continue. I resorted to using old school tactics like Cheat Engine because you can't do console commands in games anymore, and trainers are kind of hit or miss. Sometimes they work, sometimes they mess up your computer, so I'd rather do things myself anyway. And the process we do this is scanning the game, dumping values, comparing values, dumping values, comparing values. We're looking for changes is what we're doing. And I'm going to teach you guys how to do that using Cheat Engine. First we're going to go over here, and I've made notes. It's 4 bytes with an exact value of 400, so we're going to do our first scan. And then we're gonna see if we can find some enemies and take some damage. You might die a couple times, that's fine. Decreased value. Next scan. And then look up here, there's 731, there's parts that are still changing, so I do this a couple times. Unchanged value, because the value has not yet changed. We're going to narrow it down. And it went from 700 to 400 to 300. And now we're at 345, and we're pretty good there. That's a good place to continue from. Another hit. Decreased value. Next scan. Now we only got these right here, so it's probably going to be this one or this one or this one. Unchanged value. That's going to be fine. Resume. And I died, which is fine. Reconnect. Now I'm going to do changed value. Look at that, that went right up to 100. That has to be it right there. So we're going to do changed value, next scan, and I'm going to take this one here, and I'm actually going to just throw that one in there. Description. And I probably have to do this every time I play because it's different. Like these are supposed to be 100, but every time I close the game out and start back up, it changes all the addresses, so these don't even work. That's why they're not even turned on, because if I turned them on it would crash the game. I'm going to go ahead and test this out. We're going to pay attention to this 100 right there and see if that changes, and if it changes, 75, 50, you saw that I took 2 hits. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn this on here, and then I'm going to right click on it, change record, value 100. I'm not dying. that's it. I can take hits all day long, guys. Now ammo, that's another story. I ain't figured that one out yet. But if I can't die, I ain't worried about it too much. And that's it. That's how you use Cheat Engine to do dumping comparisons. This is QQ Magic PP, aka Magic, aka Scott, Mr. Ecodicy Newton. Over now.